how to tag people on a post. So when you're about to make a post, so any post you want, for example, if you're just gonna upload a picture, so once you've uploaded your picture, at the bottom you can click on tag friends, and this little box here where it says with and who were you with, so you just click on that and you type in a friend that's on your friends list. You can type in the first name and then it will try to figure it out for you. So I've just typed in a friend, and when you're happy with that, you click on post. Give it a second, and now you've posted something and your friend is going to be notified, and it should appear on their timeline depending on their privacy settings.